Hello diecasters. Welcome to Little Cars 64 channel. Today, let's see custom 69 Volkswagen Squareback from 2022 Hot Wheels Volkswagen Series. The base and tires are plastic. The wheels rolls perfectly. Now, let's see it on turntable. It has front and side details. No details at the back. The interior is in brown. Overall, this diecast is okay for basic series. For the details, you only need to add red paint at tail light casting. Now, let's take a closer look. You got Volkswagen logo at side and the front hood. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.